The Jeddah Tower, a marvel of modern engineering in the heart of Saudi Arabia's vibrant coastal city, Jeddah, rises an ambitious vision. The Jeddah Tower, set to become the tallest building in the world. Standing at an astounding height of over 1,000 meters, the Jeddah Tower symbolizes not just an architectural masterpiece but also a beacon of human innovation and ambition. Construction began in 2013, with a mission to redefine the limits of modern engineering. Designed by Adrian Smith, the renowned architect behind Dubai's Burj Khalifa, the Jeddah Tower features a sleek and futuristic design inspired by desert plant shoots reaching for the sky. The tower will host luxurious residential spaces, a 5-star hotel, office spaces, and the world's highest observation deck at 644 meters. This engineering marvel will feature 252 floors, with an intricate system of elevators and advanced wind resistance technology. The foundation of Jeddah Tower is a masterpiece in itself. Engineers designed it to withstand the extreme conditions of the Red Sea coast, ensuring stability for this record-breaking structure. Once completed, the Jeddah Tower will not only redefine the skyline of Saudi Arabia but will also mark a milestone in the kingdom's Vision 2030, an initiative aimed at diversifying the nation's economy and positioning it as a global hub. Experts behind the project emphasize the challenges and triumphs of constructing such an ambitious structure. The Jeddah Tower isn't just about breaking records, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As it soars towards the sky, the Jeddah Tower inspires the world to dream bigger, reach higher, and build a future where the impossible becomes reality. End screen. Logo of Jeddah Tower project with tagline "Building the Future." What do you think? Would you like adjustments or specific details added?